China A shares have been steadily recouping lost ground since their nosedive in 2015. With a string of policies to rein in margin trading, coupled with earnings recovery and improvement in corporate cash flows, Allianz Global Investors believes the worst of the volatility is behind us.
First of all, the accelerating corporate earnings growth will continue to trigger earnings upgrade. Secondly, the upcoming review of including China A shares into MSCI indexes will also help to attract global investor interest in the domestic onshore China market. And thirdly, the Hong Kong stock market has done well year to date. So because of that, the China A share premium over H share for dual listing companies has significantly reduced.
Such optimism is supported by a relatively stable outlook of the Chinese economy, which may grow more quickly than the government's economic growth target of 6.5% for 2017.
First, infrastructure investment would continue to be the growth stabilizer. Second, property investment will also recover after housing market destocking happening in lower tier cities. And third, we will see consumption upgrade and consumption recovery supported by positive wealth effect and also household income growth.
This year, China A shares stand a higher chance to be finally included in the MSCI benchmark indexes, thanks in part to the Stock Connect scheme, which allows investors in mainland China and Hong Kong direct access to each other's stock markets. Although China A shares valuations are still in the middle of their long-term range, an MSCI inclusion will likely channel more funds to these Chinese-listed companies, boosting their valuations. Our China A share fund adopts a growth at reasonable price approach. We pick 14 to 16 stocks based on 3 criteria: growth, quality, and valuations.
On growth, we try to pick stocks that deliver higher earnings growth than the overall market. And then on quality, we focus on management and business quality as well as the financial strength of the company. And on valuation, we try to invest in stocks that are trading at attractive level. We try not to overpay for the growth of the company. We also place strong emphasis on risk management. We have regular meetings with our internal risk control team to review the risk parameters of our China A share portfolio. If there's a need, then we will adjust the portfolio accordingly.
Allianz Global Investors. Understand,